Hello everyone, our report for today is all about challenging the war system. So, do you have any idea about it? So, what is war? Do you think it's all about terrorism, fighting, or guerra? So, what is war? War is derived from Frankish German word "Wehre", refers to international and widespread armed conflict between political and communities. Classical or international wars occur between states, while civil or internal conflict are between rebel groups or community within a state. Non-state actors can also be considered political communities. Aggression and major armed conflict are interchangeable terms with aggression, referring the use of armed force against other states' sovereignty. War, though, is very terrible things. It happens when country or group of people fight with other, brings sadness and destructions. During war, soldiers with guns and weapons to fight, and homes and buildings get damaged, and people have to leave their homes to stay safe. Many people get hurt and lose their lives in war. So, yun yung mga nangyayari during war. And international war ay conflict between the two states. The example niyan is the Israel and Palestine. One of the reason bakit nagkakaroon ng war dahil sa pag-aagawan ng territory. And ang internal conflict naman ay nangyayari sa loob ng bansa. It is another conflict between groups and communities. For example, sa bansa natin, in Marawi, we have Abu Sayyaf groups na dahil sa kanila nagkaroon ng gera sa Marawi. So, yan yung some example of internal conflicts. So, we have also, kapag nagkakaroon ng war, meron tayong kanya-kanyang army sa iba't ibang bansa para ipagtanggol ang kanilang bansa. What causes of war? Some people believe that human person is the cause of war, accepting as true the contention that aggression is an initiated instinct. Aggression is an avoidant feature of human natures. So, naniniwala ka ba na ang human person is the causes of war? So, for me is, sabi daw is the human people is the causes of war. So, totoo naman na ang tao ang may kasalanan kung bakit nagkakaroon tayo ng mga ganitong sitwasyon. For example is war or terrorism or criminals in these societies. Because people do or gumagawa ng mga bagay na ikakasama ng ating society. So, cause of war, we have a territorial dispute. More common cause of war, disagreement between states, group within a state, over whether their homeland or border should be fixed. Challenge of country poses over the rights of others to exercise sovereignty over some or its entire homeland, tied with the quest for independence of sovereignty. Example is between Israel and Palestine. Most notable, more Islamic liberation. Territorial disputes, more common cause of war, claiming territory. Example niya is Israel and Palestine. So also the Philippines experienced the claiming of our sea, the West Philippine Sea, which is China claimed it, but Philippines is fighting for our territory. But we are not in the war. So next is a lack of tolerance for differences. A lack of tolerance for differences. Emerging source of conflict may be nationality, clan membership, ethnicity, or religion affiliations. Aggravate ongoing conflict, which is normally caused for other factors. Here in our society, we have many religions like Christianity, Islam, Hindus, and etc. We have a lot of religions. So it's said that one of the reasons why there is war because of different religions, beliefs. We know that people have our own beliefs. So there are people who don't understand when it comes to religions, why they are have conflict situations. So, in dialogical or power struggle, so ito is, in the country, we have what in called power. We use it in our country for society and beliefs that serve as a guide on how power be allocated. So, county economic status. So, said war today is concentrated in the poorest country. So, also of the reasons why there will impact or conflict because of the inequality of people. To reduce this situation, ensure everyone to us is inclusive. Because of political, in the country, there are many poor people and there will be in trouble in the community. Nationalism and the process of decolonizations. Isa din sa mga dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng war is transfer power. Kapag ang tao ayaw doon sa groups na yon, may mga taong hindi sang-ayon, kaya nagkakagawa ng kapangyarihan. The effect of war. First is that most horrible effect of war. So, pag nagkakaroon ng war, madaming mga inosenteng tao ang namamatay. Why? Because of bombing, massacres, and etc. So, madaming inosenteng namamatay or mga taong namamatay dahil sa ganitong sitwasyon. So, acrocides. Act that go beyond what is tolerable because of the commonly held nations. That is war. Anything goes. Example is massacre, torture, disappearance, sexual violence including rapes, execution, assassinations, bombing, burning, and kidnapping. Ito yung mga bagay na nangyayari during war. So, an example is the bombing and burning and kidnapping. So, example niyan in Ukraine. So, third is cause people to migrate, cause people to flee their homes. So, madaming mga tao ang napipilitang umalis sa kanilang sariling bahay because of the war. So, sino ba naman mga taong mananatili sa kanilang bahay kung nagkakaroon na ng gera? So, iisipin na rin nila yung sarili nilang kaligtasan. So, kailangan nilang mag-migrate sa ibang lugar for their safetyness. So, fourth, war cause weapon to proliferates. Rate of use of nuclear weapon has increased in recent years. Issue of landmines, and other concerns. Small arms are the weapon of choice for most armed conflict as they are inexpensive, handy. So, dito, yung nuclear weapon daw is nag-increase recent year. And also issues about landmines. So, yung mga bombs na sa lupa na nakalagay. So, napaka-dangerous nun. Once na naapakan mo yung mga bomb na nakalagay sa land na dinagay ng mga tourists or kung sino man, is napaka-delikado. So, also small arms, the weapons. So, madalas nagamit ng mga armies is mga small weapons like guns, or any weapons na small na handy lang gamitin or magaan lang gamitin during the war. So, yun yung madalas na ginagamit nila.